this. I'm gonna show you how to remove the connector. It's like this one here. I removed this one already, but here I decided to show you. So I'm gonna set up first the thing. Gonna sit up first here. So these things, yeah, this is coming. This is the 5 that is coming from here. Obviously, this in. Here. Okay. This pipe. This is the inlet. This is usually the other one has the connector here. That's the connector there. Joiner, but the new one that comes in is a solid pipe. Comes with a solid pipe. There's no connector. In, it is inside, and obviously this type of thing, this is like a plug and play. So you have here the thing, the slash, that goes down in there, like that. And once it's in, obviously you're gonna turn, because the reason why you're gonna turn, because there is a slash here, but this thing here will hold, will push into this thing, plastic plug, and then obviously you have to like that, and then you have to turn. Clockwise or whatever, clockwise, and then mount like that. That's the lock position. Once it's lock position, you're gonna press in. So you really have to like that. Once it's clicked, you can never remove. To unlock, you have to turn clockwise. Okay, once it's turning, pull out, and you want to pull it in. Okay, turn. So, and it's locked. And then to release. Put this on the lock position like that, because this is a self-locking device, plastic thing. Okay, so we're gonna put it in, and that's how to try to unlock this. sometimes this is very hard to release or to lock in once it's inside. So to unlock like that, you will see the contacts here or the clips. Okay, like that. Turn counterclockwise to lock in place, release, and then to lock in place you have to turn like that clockwise and then it will lock. So like that only. Okay. So obviously this one missing teeth because this is a very fragile thing. Anyway, we'll try. But this one's okay. There are only 2 locks clip that will hold, and that's okay. That will hold up. Ganyan lang yung gawin, guys. Pagka magpalit kayo ng you have to change the heater core. You have to cut off the parts without removing the center console and the housing of the thing. Done. Okay. So far so good. Very hot here now. So what we are looking here, this is the drain plug for the housing, of the heater core inside, and the drain plug, as you can see, there's no coolant coming out. This is the drain plug here, so it's dry. That means that the heater core is intact, no leaking. Okay, so we just put this back, the drain plug. Okay, yes, confirm. So coolant leak for the heater core. Very hard here now. Yeah, it's back. This is the heater, full blast.